Let's solve the question on the board. Now, the perimeter of a rectangle is P equals to 2 bracket L plus B. Alright, we can say P is equals to 2L plus 2B. Our P there is 48 centimeter, and then we have 2, our length is x plus 8 plus 2, our breadth is x plus 2. Alright, so we expand. 48 is equals to 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 8 is 16 plus 2 times x, 2x plus 2 times 2 is 4. Alright, we collect like terms. 2x plus 2x plus 16 plus 4. Okay, so 48 is equals to 2x plus 2x is 4x plus 20. We collect like terms. 48 is equals to 48 minus 20 is equals to 4x plus 20 minus 20. You want to eliminate the 20 there. So 48 minus 20 is 28 is equals to 4x plus 20 minus 20 goes off to 0 over 4 over 4. 4 cancel 4. 4 here 1, 4 into 28 is 7. Therefore, our x is equals to 7. Thank you.
1 hour.